first step, you gotta remove this 10 and this pin. Now you got those two removed. Now you remove this 10 right here in the back. Should be out in the open right there. All right, now once you got this 10 removed, this pin and this 10, now what you want to do is grab like a plastic prying tool, and you want to pry this and pull it towards you out this way. Just like that. Now what you want to do is remove both of these bulbs out of here. So all you gotta do is just twist them. Now once you remove this corner piece right here, now there's 110 hiding right here, which you gotta remove that. Now once you got this 10 loose, what you gotta do is you might need to pry up on this a little bit so it's nice and loose. And then all you gotta do is just take it off now, just like this. Just move it left to right. And it should just come out just like this. Now all you do is disconnect both of these lights connectors. Now what you want to do is take this thing off, this turning signal lamp right here, just like that. And mine are blown out and I have replacements, so I'll be replacing them. Now on the new assembly right here, what you're gonna do is take this off and then also take this off right there so you can put your turn signal back in. And there are these covers holding it, so once you pull this thing out, there's these little things holding it right here, so you gotta make sure you get this out and then you put your bulb right back in there. And I want to put your bulb right back in there. I got LEDs, so all you want to do is hold this down right here and then lift up so it's a little thing. See, lift it up just like that. Pull this back, put this in, go a little bit back, get this in, just like that. I gotta find the spot where it goes, just like that. And just put it right back down, just like that. Now it's all in there. All right, now for putting it back in, I recommend to not fully take this off, just nicely pull it up like this so you can still have it all nice and like this. Now all you gotta do is put it right back in. Like this, how you took it out. Make sure you plug in the stuff in the back again. Let's put this back in. Put this connector. Now you gotta do, just slide right back in here. Do a little bit. This. Pinch it with it a little bit. That. Now it's all good. Now you just seat it right back in its spot. So mine was something like this, just like that. So everything should line right back up. Should just be nice and in there. It takes a little to fidget in there a little bit, but it does go right back in. Now what you want to do is put this 10 back in here. Now once you got that 10 in, now you can put this side piece back in. Just put these two bulbs back in. And here you gotta take these things out. All right, so now for putting in this side marker right here, this is a little tricky. You wanna sneak this into right there and have that like that. And also line it up with this back thing right here. This thing has to go in right to here so it's all even. So it's a little tricky. I'm trying to show you how to do it. Now you can tighten this 10 on this side right here. Now you got to put this pin right back into here. It is a little hard. You got to kind of move this and get it back in that hole. And don't forget to put your rubber piece back on. Once you get your pin back in, now what you want to do is move this whole headlight assembly with your hand. So this one moves, and tighten that 10 back up right here. Now, once you get this 10 back in, you can rip all this plastic off. And that's how you guys put on a headlight assembly on a 2005 Toyota Sequoia.